Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, this is my first video on YouTube, but first let me introduce myself. My name is Maylinda, you can see here. I'm studying Department of English Education in 5th semester in Faculty of Tarbiyah and Teachers Training at Syarif Hidayatullah State Islamic University of Jakarta. And the purpose of this video is to complete my assignment under the subject extensive reading that have given by my lecturer, namely Mrs. Nida Husna. So guys, in this video, I have to tell you about the story of my novel that I have read. And here is the novel. The title is After the Fire and the author is Belva Plain. It was published in 20 and the genre is romance fiction. So guys, let's get started. This novel was told a really sad story not only about unfaithful partner but also about a big effort of a woman against a criminal case and her big struggle to get her rights in raising her children. And the main character in this novel is Hyacinth. Hyacinth was a kind of non-sophisticated woman. She was a beautiful painter, and she loves painting of her family, but her bad habit is she loves smoking. The story was began when her parents were fighting about her decision in marriage with her boyfriend. Her mother, here is her mother, namely Franklin, never let her to marry with her boyfriend because as Franklin observed that Gerald was a kind of womanizing and he was a big liar. So Franklin thought that Gerald was not the right man for her daughter. But in the other side, her father, here is her father, always support her and give her permission to marry with her boyfriend because he thinks that Gerald was a smart guy and he was well-mannered because he studied in a medical school. And at the time, Gerald was a medical school student. He was in training to become a plastic surgeon, but unfortunately, Gerald was a poor medical student. So at that time, he asked Hyacinth to lend him some money to continue his study, and he was willing to pay back the money after he finished his study. But before Gerald finished his study, he already asked Hyacinth to marry him. And Hyacinth absolutely get so confused about that because her parents were debating about that. But unexpectedly, Hyacinth decided to refute and despite her mother's suggestion, and she decided to marry with Gerald anyway. And everything was going well after their marriage, but unfortunately, in the middle of their marriage, Hyacinth started to find negative things, start to find different things from Gerald, and they both so often have a debate or a fighting. Meanwhile, moreover, one day, Gerald told to Hyacinth that he didn't want to have children. He said to Hyacinth that he didn't want to have a baby after he finished his study. And absolutely, Hyacinth felt very disappointed of that because Hyacinth was just dream a kind of happy family which has many children in its home. Unexpectedly, Hyacinth get pregnant. One day Hyacinth got pregnant, and when she told about that to her husband, instead Gerald didn't glad to hear that, and he asked Hyacinth to have an abortion. And absolutely, Hyacinth felt very disappointed of him, and she was in a big anger, and they both fighting, a big fighting, until Gerald felt kind of guilty. So he asked apologized to his wife, and Gerald told to Hyacinth that he also wants the baby too. And 9 months later, Hyacinth uttered a baby boy, and his name is Jerry. And at that time, Gerald started to realize that he also wants children. And luckily, 3 years later, Hyacinth also uttered a baby girl. Here is their doctor, and her name is Emma. And at that time, Hyacinth and Gerald become a happy family, which other envied because at that time Gerald was a popular and smart medical student, plastic surgeon, while Hyacinth was a beautiful painter, and everybody was envied about his family. And then, but one day, Gerald have to move to Texas because he have to continue his study in Texas, and they were moved to big apartment, and in that apartment they meet with Arnie. Here is Arnie. Arnie also a medical student, a plastic surgeon, I mean, and he was Gerald's friend in the office, and they both work for the same office. And apparently, Arnie was the owner of the office and the owner of the apartment. And Arnie did a crucial role in Gerald's family because he was helping the Gerald's family to get the apartment. But one day Hyacinth got a ring from Gerald's office that Gerald was went out with a woman, and because Hyacinth didn't believe that, so she decided to observe by herself. And when she did her observation, she found that Gerald really went out with a woman, and apparently that woman was Gerald's secretary. And when Hyacinth admit to Gerald about her observation. Instead, Gerald against that, and he didn't admit that he was made a love affair with her secretary. And Hyacinth absolutely feel very jealous, and she was in a big anger, and Gerald also in a big anger. So they both get fighting, get a big debating, and Hyacinth almost asks for divorce, but she still consider about the condition of her children. And he just went to Gerald's office, and she ransacked Gerald's office and as much as possible, and she cried a lot in Gerald's office, and she smoked a lot in Gerald's office, and but she didn't realize that she left something. And in the following morning, there was news that Gerald's office was burned down, and it burned down in the night right after Hyacinth ransacked Gerald's office. And absolutely, Gerald accused Hyacinth as the arsonist because first, Gerald knows that Hyacinth was went to his office, and second, Gerald found the evidence. Here is the evidence. As I've told you guys that Hyacinth really loves smoking, and that in that building Gerald found a cigarette left, and Gerald was very sure that the arsonist was his wife. Hyacinth was really in a big depression. Moreover, Gerald told to her that sooner or later the police will find her and imprison her. And she a little bit feel guilty after married with Gerald and despite her mother's situation. Moreover, Gerald also blackmailed Hyacinth a divorce and asked the custody of their children. And the next day, Gerald decided to move to Florida and brought their children with him because he didn't want if their children knows that their mother was an arsonist, and Hyacinth was feel very lonely because their children not with her again. But Hyacinth still try her best to visit her children every time to Florida. But every time Hyacinth tried to visit her children, instead Gerald brought the children to another island so that Hyacinth totally cannot meet her children. But Hyacinth was never lack of idea to show how much she loved her children, and she always used to sending letter to her children. Also, she was used to making a silk dress for her daughter Emma. And when one day when Hyacinth went to a department store, she met with Will Miller. Will Miller is a charming businessman, and he ran a department store company by himself. And at that time, Will and Hyacinth get to know each other. And when Hyacinth show her dress creation to Will, instead Will asked Hyacinth to make some more dresses, and he said to Hyacinth that she could be a designer. And later, Hyacinth become a real designer, and until she launched her collection, her own collection, Hyacinth's collection, which is become very popular at the time. And Hyacinth also get to become closer with Will, and they both start to have feeling for each other. But Hyacinth still kept her feeling because she didn't want if her last experience with her husband happen again in the future. So she decided not to admit her love to Will. And at that time, Hyacinth was really wake up from her bad life, from her bad experience, and she very grateful to know Will in her life. And unexpectedly, at that time, did you still remember Arnie? Arnie also falling in love with Hyacinth, and he had proved his love to her by giving her an apartment and giving her college. I mean, fee pay for Hyacinth's college. And when Arnie confessed his love to Hyacinth, instead Hyacinth refused him, and she just said to him that she didn't have any special feeling for him, and they both just friends and no more. And Arnie was in a broken heart until one day, Gerald, this is Gerald, Gerald called a blackmail from Arnie, and in that message, Arnie admitted he was the arsonist, and Gerald was very shocked to hear that. So guys, here is the key of the problem, and the real arsonist is Arnie. And Arnie did it on purpose because he actually wants to destroy Gerald and Hyacinth's marriage. And because Hyacinth refused his love, so he feel in a big broken heart, as I've told you, and he was in a big guilty. He decided to admit to Gerald that actually he was the arsonist, but Arnie was an infamous runner, and but fortunately, Hyacinth was free from the accusation, and Gerald apologized to Hyacinth, and he was really feel guilty after accused his wife as the arsonist. But at that time, Hyacinth asked for the official divorce, and she also asked the custody of their children give to her. And because Gerald feel so guilty about that after he accused Hyacinth as the arsonist, so Gerald gave the custody of their children to Hyacinth. And one day, this is Will. Will confessed his love to Hyacinth, and he said that he was truly falling in love for her, and he was truly falling in love from his deepest heart. And Will said to Hyacinth that he wants her forever. And fortunately, when Will confessed his love to Hyacinth, instead Hyacinth also confessed her love, and they both getting married at the time, and here is the happy ending. So this novel has the happy ending where Will, Emma, Jerry, and Hyacinth got a happy family for the beginning of happy ending. They built a happy family ever after. So guys, that's all my novel presentation. I apologize if there were many mistakes, whether in my pronunciation or any others. So I said thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.